class. I hope all are doing well. Which is the largest rice producing state in India? Which is the largest rice producing state in India? The answer is West Bengal. The answer is West Bengal. Which is the largest wheat producing state in India? Which is the largest wheat producing state in India? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. We'll start with that. With this, we'll start today's lesson: crop production and management. Crop production and management. Before starting actual lesson, you must know some certain basic terms which will come throughout this lesson. If you understand these terms, then further lesson is easy for you all. Okay, the first basic term is agriculture. First one is agriculture. Agriculture is nothing but cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to provide food and other products. Cultivating soil. So cultivate means prepare and use for crops. Cultivate means prepare and use for crops. So we have to prepare soil for using crops. So cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing. Nurturing is nothing but to help someone or something to grow. Nurturing is nothing but to help someone or something to grow or develop. So we are nurturing animals. We are helping animals to grow. Okay. So cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to provide food and other products. Not only for food, for other products also. So agriculture means you must have to remember two things: growing crops and nurturing animals. Growing crops and nurturing animals. And second one is crops. Second term is crops. When plants of the same kind or cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Crop is nothing but when plants of the same kind or cultivated on a large scale. It is nothing but crop. For example, crop of wheat. Crop of wheat. Crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field or that of wheat. Only that particular field contains only wheat. Nothing other else. Okay. So we have discussed two terms. First one is agriculture. Agriculture is nothing but cultivating soil for growing crops and nurturing animals to provide food and other products. Not only for food, for other products also. And next to crops. Crops is nothing but when plants of the same kind are cultivated at a one place on a large scale is nothing but crop. And for example, crop of wheat. The next one is kharif crops. So crops are classified into two categories: kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops and rabi crops. So kharif crop is nothing but the crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. So the crops which are sown in rainy season. So those plants, those crops require a lot of water. That's why we have sown in rainy season. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Rainy season in India is generally June to September. Examples of kharif crops: paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. So kharif crop is nothing but the crops which are sown in rainy season. Those crops requires a lot of water. And the rainy season in India is generally from June to September. And examples of kharif crops: paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Next one is rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. The crops grown in winter season. So either crops sown in rainy season. So rabi crops are grown in winter season. They require less water. Rabi crops. And the winter season in India generally from October to March. So rainy season June to September, winter season October to March. Example for rabi crops: wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So these are all example for rabi crops. So these two are example for types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. Okay, today we have discussed 4 basic terms which will come throughout this lesson. First one is agriculture. Second one is crops. Third one is types of crops. In that first one is kharif crops and the fourth one is rabi crops. I hope all understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. In the next class, we will start the introduction of crop production and management lesson. Thank you, children. Bye, children.